here as family and friends, will shortly commence services and celebration of life for Yukiwo Imiya Tara, who passed away on Saturday, the 18th of February, the year 2017, at the Hill Medical Center at the age of 75 years old. On behalf of the entire family members, his loving wife, sons, daughter, 18 grandchildren, sisters, brother-in-law, sisters-in-law, and the entire family, your kind sympathy and love has been a great comfort to the family members. We'll be following the program that was passed out to you, so please follow along. A warm thank you and aloha to the Parashai Hilo Congregational Church for the lovely songs during the visitation. And he was a member of the United Protestant Church here in Hilo. Just one note, there's no gum chewing here at the church. Please, there's an envelope in front of the pew. Please discard it and turn off your cell phone as a respect to the family members. There's a restroom to my right if you need to use the restroom. Again, we'll begin services and celebration of life for Mr. Hara.
Thank you, Mr. Lupe, Toto Mortuary Representative. Convention Kude Avalanche at first the Gani Lash, Nanagima was calendar, Betiki, whatever they know here, but in Ghana, Aksha, Partisan Legba, Kimano, Kioyan Roman, Kude Avalanche at first Uchapan Plaza, Onagi was calendar. Kimano Washington Adari, the Denche Alawa in Afashia, Malala, with Paul Lachke Church in Gun Puja, Pasta, Libesta, Deacon, Deaconess, Ministers. Deacon Danny, that of a Kaiko was being Kaposa, but couldn't go at Kalawash. You mentioned that Avalanche was a good job, a show on Kalawash. Divinely take this rare opportunity with pleasure and honor. I join the family, members and friends to express their sincere, heartfelt kulamana, and also to acknowledge your presence, to share memories, express emotions, and find comforting support for this memorable funeral service. iben sene kudevain akfashim abunesh ulog yarfan mit negewa ayi banglo pasta padaba ibenera prayer.
Welcome in your hearts and pray upon it. Ali mana file and pray the name. Because man they want to ma faci ramonte. Let's say. Why you have pray? Ana ke no ke pese. Let pray. Ako Abang yok ng nanggar about the marsh. Hold that managyaw say kudong mga. Maybe kaskat me the viewing program say in the mania ako lang nakasiya kaya say kudong mga kasu katawa the marsh. Maybe kaya mas best siya lagwan na kafula in the Gobe, in we were changing. I put a sales of the Gobe, he and Lussala, in the Nui, changing, Nakati, Massing, Kulomala, and Gatamas. Come up as best, but in an excellent conge, we can casta, in the Kulona Suke, Rock the Katai and Kata de Tamine, and buying my rose, in Gastake. The committee nakdok malak kaisi kilo point kaksa shui may enena ka vidna may siya ke kof makat red. May ikat life with Australia and like fintak pa takata the wika tana get life we come to me to may ikat in the southwest. Kudo ikataran some the program dafra we got at nisye ay pesang Jiwa sinna te was Mars, I be second the Bellar, but in the Rohana Kifinta, not the Wepe, Carney Programma, MC, then the Nafasila, and the Bewa, Serpent 4K program thing, Katarinka Namaste, at the end of the world. Getting when the dome, Jesus Christ, the town of the road. Marana dul kaksa kay best sa mga kapatid. Nagakain naman yung nagkakapit sa prayer. Akka for the metido, webe trade senior peke sien na sa mga channel says isin met best. Parang lang siya espesi ni hinggain anay nawakan gusto kayo na kanya. The fine goes to the world. Hingga na ako namin Kerala medane, sit metropolis kamay sa pan church, pastor, siya yo, kasi siya lan masih ke kos pela maya na pasiya ali tayo. Katulad ko na kata kata may nalar, parang kaya kesta kasi pa do, pa yung mga Kulo mga kaksa na pawis. So Jerusalem na atin lahat po magandang at yung kanyang pres niya, kakaksin kat malap kalay, rela Diyos na liwa, at kaya araw sige. Lera man ka na sirus, at kaya gos, yung member, at bakos na gos ang kaya sige. At natatalir, tukul matayan, Hello, Mama.
Kuno magalasin pastor para Charlie. Kasi Brian Lal, kasi na kayo tuloy last question. Katawalan ko yung tolong na Puginoon natas, Puginoon ano ko siya, on ko yan raw first siya.
ที่กำลังลาตาก็เต็มลาและลังสิยกขึ้นลาเชื่อเดสกเดนนาซีเออินักไลฟ์เอไอ้นักไปเย่ก็ไลฟ์ลานี่ลังสิเอาลาที่มาชที่มาดัชsiya ikasalan Tabenia katapunin the pride si Pastor Panuka Ingkapay Shui Ashlos Ibensi Ngangkay Aklin ko sa kewa si Philippine Aklin sa Panuka Senior Pastor ng Kibayan ng Pastor Pele Taluka siya tikinis niyo ako Alif Nadat, Panuka. Shirley, Bernie, Evinitara, Alwayan, Ikapay, Kasaman, Kitaginilash, Kakilanan Bear, Tamdain Silavos, and friend. Katagay ni Isene, Anagay Gestalan, program ng Karangin Mamasinge, Intaban na Masigyak, Kipang Kalat Langkat, Passion ng Kipensingin, Ingayin, Orlasiye, Alin atin siya Woyela, kaya itong laban ng Pilay Kusay ng mga ilmong lawi. Pahin with one church, Tikinis ni Besta, Tikin the minister. One kapay natin community, Lananilo. May tagayin na isa na ke Church Red Kona. Hindi taga sa akin. Takaw. Lang magsabayat ni. Ang kapay na kalimya. Nasiuwas siya tagayin na isa na. Ay piningin ang krami. Lalang din ka yung tagay ni ito alamay ni mamatalang ka. Tapos ito daw malap ka snow was yung kapay na ka. Hindi siya usingi siyang take. Sa talalalos. Magkain dyan lalalos. Nakasayaw. Kamalos. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the non-concerned speaker that are with us today. Thank you for your support for the family coming to celebrate for the celebration of life or of late Tikin Yukiwo and Mayor Tara. Want to extend our mahalo to Dodo Mortuary for a family's job of taking care of our loved one, presented to us in a very unique way. Also, Pastor Ken and and a member of this church, First United Protestant Church, for providing a place that we can share our sorrow, our pride, tears together. Katukang dawen, alu ng nagkanila siya kay Pontolo Lugo Fasiye. Ito, pinon natin siya. Siya kitinka ni Kesla, puk na kasahan, upay po na ke, siya ang saptas ngaw lakos, pasi. Acho que esse chapo, se eu vou caminhar um dia, que eu leio essa área, os filhos da acho que eu os nas categorias. Jesus evacueros. Nikos Fosna, Kainsetos, Alan God, Alan Penga, Alan God, Alan God, Katabra. God Kabadamash, at Palash, Loma Pranom, Nayaroshke, Belgat Enenekom, Yok Nakamna, Yok Makaintella, Tashat Takesh Ben Caslo, Isipin Wenda Tum Sakum Sapema, Inakpay Yimana Pewa Makumakia, Pala natin kaksa incompetence. Kung makunayan siya o makubangon na may kolalos at pride ako nito kawilalos kita sige kuno manlap na siya special at fast na galan sa flow finance makat siya na way aqua flow na silbit mata Siyempre na akasya. Jezebel, Gaslo, Gasmatan, Gaslo, Gasmo, Gasmafal, Ginestan, Medwitke, at Yalim Lash, Inkan Golgat, Inetamawo, Inkan Kulok na Jerome, Panakong Finchak Ke. Wika, Esingan Madalo, Minigesta na Shesh, Mefal, Gitin Shaman ke Helsinki, ke kumakapay ni Gaston Yematash, na mayo ni mai to kasik mai yang yoros ki fun na ki fun when you see it says mai ta ka kask ki ana jumai lo man lap na swet ta tewa Kailangan din ka na matang yorik malas yimatom and may siyo benasyon. Ken when na tu maglalas Jesus Christ that cry. Amen. Kaya sa todo, inkain we got kibensing. Mankain apenin Siaulan Tigin Yugo Tiginis Nyokam Paloka Justin Shirley Eleanor Bernie Sipi Ibinitaram Tankian Ibigatan Samantari Taklin Kapen and Samalenats at friend. Because the pain we shall laos Talikuyan Tigilis Nyokam. Eklistis tatatol fasiru kalmo. Mana ke wasikya infela sikya palna ke pella. Aspelin juste. Aspelin misère. Aspelin liquia. Aspelin fase. Elsa matasiap kilamat pedakasha. Ingat sekyam nasel. When Nathan David. Kapasya Solomon. Matwell Somsomla, Elapin Mola, Manake Wawan Shipe. When I get it all, I was Pensi Makat, I Matagana Yoros, in Gopin, Academy, Lamakan Masa, mine Esilas Yestudinara, Mavo, Tatalik Nadan, Mamadana. Pensi ada sikya kita dalam Christ Jesus. Aking meritlas mga tuloy pagindar. Kika siya, kifong siya, kikafa siya. Asyam-syam ng Jesus. Sielos. In fact, I fell aside at the home. Take it in bed. Anytime she has Ash shaman, Ash forsnya. Ash to Ash nabe. Cielos may sa, may leti, may masilanan ni Jesus intention. In fact, na sila soy uli ang nalang pumilong singkat siya kakataman. Elay baway ni inka siya balong sil pas kakinwe rumwe nasinda kayo Oye si katagani ka oye kay wala siya siya fashion wala siya kain lang evine masa elmet ko sila matilo and nine kain ako kisiya church when you live the liquid to siya binanmod mata tamay nakia sa pal lagi and Milos ito may tafalla. Tafalla tlik natin. May tuliyan kawa ko lang apat takinigyan kanisi. Frank Malan kadakulit. Kita sukuyin kami. Tayo kaya tikilis talit natin niya talit kalansa. Hingga pa yung dapat na nagkisip sa goto kaos. Sila na i-aspel itimoide ay kapangan ng gawin yak na yung kaisi na Erikma. Siya pa yung kadeni na lomang siya. Binigit siya sa Sham siya na siya tamalit lut na ilesom. Tama siya. Katama siya mo. Mati na kyarin kimapong ka. Na yung kaktiya ito na kumisong na uye. Kumisong na uye. Pagkaya yung next ako, mga kumisong na kayo. Siya in fact mo. Apa yang jadi? Apa yang mau? Tiga spell in the long. Don't let your heart be troubled. Trust in God and trust me. There's more than enough room in my Father's home. If this were not so, I would have told you that I'm going to prepare a place for you. At kalau nila kiaspan kakapay, wang itafong na ke katwit ni sinisin. El katalan mo ning may el misa el fakla el afroko kami ya ash mo si tukun mo na nalay si Rosia maakos kawin lang kami si mo na tikin mo el contribution na siya inka in akia pela pangay makatili na kat finimit siya na financing. Siya in fact mo, alam ko yung ka. Alam ko yung ka. Alam ko yung man kasi. Doon lang, kung yamin na kaya mga kanduwe, sinta ko na. Siya mga lang siya umuwi. Siya umuwi talik na kan mga wet ma yung kapen pura mo kipensi. Sino utap na John na yening mo. Ash kitin siya plus na kapay ash mo siya. Siya pa siya wala na kakitron na siya pen kutem darong ka. Ilam na yung Rosh. Ang tapan, kita yung may nagkakot. Kasi tayo na ke katatsur ken, katilin at tiningan. May in fact si Bena na Christ in fact na nga tabas ina shonin madalos. Ito ka wearing, as if you've been wearing, Lisa. Iwan na siya. Kaya pinitang, kayo ang mga. Enemy cries in saksing suruan. Ingin muna. Inaksalan nila na siya sila. Illusory God. Katagawa matalan mo. Everything siya nagawin. Fakit sa kalu bawal siya pastor na. Ito ka pastor ako. Kadene natin diye Oggi e l'anfo di la paella asce se paletena il da batle via gaslan e lossen l'anfo di kapasyan na si baba taman na mo mabata de pamamos akin spesi ni akayos. Paano kitisa siya siya ng lalagpuin ka? Lalagpuin mo kay Jesus. Katatamas katkilaman at kikas wala na makumsila sa skipetsi. At kailan niya na siya siya wawin matapong na yung malay lalo. Kat na kayo hindi na yung akilin kalong niya madash ke ausin. Nalakpanas we shall ingkay nakaptapi isang gaswala na mga tapataman los saman na sila. So tayo yan, kanilang tigin yung guro akong nawala katarin. Kading kapay pride depends on it. Akong ingkain carrying and managing it. Yung kanilang ingkala. Nagiging makumakulatan ng mungga. We pesyaw lang, talit natin may napahatol na pinayang ko siya. Kifin siya klan, imulyang lang rin malan, kumakapay niya, kifin siya sino na siya. Siya ulala ko rin pera, at na kayo. Siya na kayo, wala naman. Kaya naman kayo. Kaya when nagtutog Jesus Christ at bright at kulot, tinaksak siya na aluwas kaya siya na siya kadis on ke on tono lapos pasya medan pasya tono. Nag-aalakas ko doon.
película ahora está en check. Que programlaştırıcılar gerekli alanlar borumu 시상상이 대한다. 와서 그yok 요이마 아쉬우시고 해주림에 방을 바르가 나가는 것이.
Mai mite fa lo molla. E ti dico tam from the kan ye on things to go up no report me was I gather my thoughts before I start on the speech. Thank you very much for that presentation of one of my favorite songs, gospel music. I think I'm going to speak the English version, so all our friends traveling afar, Buenos Aires, Honolulu, I know some people come from Honolulu, and some of our friends are from Manto Prime speakers, and I extend my sincere appreciation for all you guys did. And I didn't forget the church members from this community, all our leaders, pastors, deaconesses, lay ministers, and of course, friends and families. I'm just gonna read out what my brother wrote on the paper, and I'm just gonna add a little bit. But before that, I'm just gonna say something very short. I know the time we have kind of restriction on our end, so I'm just gonna go briefly and go ahead with this very short speech. On February the 18th, I think one of the most dreaded things you ever experienced, you as a son got a phone call from someplace that you know already what's going on. That moment I knew something was wrong, so I went up to the hospital because my dad was in a life care center. So I went up there. After a while, they came and told me, the doctor told me that, I'm very sorry to inform you, your dad didn't make it. So, I'm like, wow, I was speechless. I was very, I was on the phone, and I'm like, really? Can I go see you? So they proceeded to let me to that gloomy, dark, not very dark, but dark room, and I just stood over there and looked over my dad and said, oh my, that's the last goodbye, I guess, in my mind, I said, that's goodbye. But anyway, to make a short story, long story short, I called everybody, and then my sister took it from there. Well, actually, I didn't call everybody. My sister did, and then that's how things started. And now, finally, we see the body over here, and we're ready to do our celebration of life. And I'm very, very, very deeply humbled that everybody showed up to show respect to the guy over there, my dad. He is the last of his brothers. He had 4 brothers. He's the last one. And he got 4 sisters. And only 2 still survived. I mean, the other 2, they got fallen. All his siblings, their time was up. You would say that. Yeah, he got only 1 or 2. And of course, you guys know my uncle, Kalabaiga Pastor Balaga. He's one of the brother-in-laws. And I have another one, Tabarubin in Pushai. And the rest of the families, the rest of the sisters-in-laws, the one over in Neshuwe, and the other one is in Honolulu. And all my aunties are back in Pushai. If I'm wrong, please correct me later after this. But to make everything combine all this speech to a short version, that's what happened. That's my dad. And I guess I'm standing here because I'm going to say my last goodbye to him. And according to the flight confirmation we have, before I proceed on, I would like to give a shout out to Golden Mortuary, fine job. You guys did a fine job. And the rest of the community, Australian community here, ELO, and of course, abroad. Without you guys opening our generosity, this would have been very impossible. It takes funding to make this happen. And I'm very, very proud of you guys. You guys went out of you guys' ways to do this, so you guys can help this family get my dad back to his final resting place according to his wish, which is to get buried in Pushai, his birthplace. And I'm very, 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 very appreciated. For lack of a better word, in Pushai, I say thank you, Pushai. In Pushai, I say no wonder. And I see a lot of people that I haven't seen for a long time. You guys know who you are, and I would like to say hello. And to those not Pushaians, I say mahalo. So if I miss something, I think everybody else after me, they'll bring it up. But to make everything according to Diggin Mon, of course I didn't forget Diggin Mon for his MC today, and a lot of guys I have to thank them. But you guys know who you guys are. Without this, I swear, without this, we would have been in very bad shape. And thank God for this situation that you guys make it happen. And I thank everybody. Of course, all my relatives in Gona, you guys know who you guys are. And all my friends here, relatives here, you guys know who you guys are. And the rest of the community, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Hello, Father Tara. Our next Halloween service is a number that will be sang by the family, song entitled Church Comes in the Morning. Next item is the eulogy, and that will be delivered by Mr. Verde Iwatara, and followed by Sherry Kata.
Pine Grove Square, Midland Church, Pastor, Michelangelo Brun Church, Rose Nahora, Vikia, Net, Silverline, Thank you guys. Thank you guys very much for showing up today. One thing that my father really likes was singing. And as you guys just witnessed, you guys just witnessed his grandkids just sang on. That's one thing that me, myself, my brother, my sister, we didn't have that when we grew up. But as you can see, I know he's somewhere smiling. Because we didn't do it, but his grandkids. It's sad to say that because he's gone, we all get together today as a family, and you guys join us here to celebrate his life. It's sad, but as everybody knows, people goes, people come. As the reference said, there's time to born and time to leave. Back to the non-Kashians, I will speak my native language to talk about my father later. Baba, hey, mấy cái lạnh sắp xếp, có các bạn lo, mặt tên mà đi ở đây sẽ mà ở cái mấy lời, mà sự thì mà ta đây mấy cái lạnh sắp qua đi, mặt tên ở cái đến mấy mà ta nói là gì về cái các bạn lo, anh đi là đi quay ngay đi bên trên mà ta nói là, ta các bạn lo cái mặt tên ở cái okay, if that goes into the lifeline, let's celebrate. Even though he's gone, his legacy will carry on. As you can witness, my brothers, my sisters, they are serving, they're in your church as a Michelangelo. I'm the last, I'm the youngest, and I'm still in that route that my father doesn't want me to. I'm going to tell you something about my father to me. I joined the service in 1994 from Bombay, USA. He looked at me and he said to me, I'm going to challenge you. He said, if you leave, don't you come back. That's his word of challenge to me. He said, if you leave, don't come back. Go get what you can. Reach for the skies, because that's what he wants, and that's what all parents want. And he's like any other parents that wants their kids to go out there and reach for the skies. That's how he is. And I'm telling you, I'm losing someone special. Even though he challenged me a lot, I still turn to him when the time is hard. But now, I don't have anybody to turn to. When I retired of the service, I told him, I was like, Dad, this what? I challenged you and I made it. Because of you, I made that 20 years and I retired. And he laughed at me. He's like, you're not done yet. Don't come back, but send your kids. I want to see them. That's how he is. He's a motivator, a mentor, and a challenger to me. That's what I see my dad as. And he's here. I'm here to talk about his life. I think I'm talking about me. If you guys, if my brothers and sisters think about it. I'm talking about me because I don't know how my father treated them. They left early. I was the last one with him. He born before I joined the service, 1994. Last time I talked to him face to face was 2005. I got married and I have my first child. I came down and I saw him. And he was happy. I can tell he was happy. But he still have that challenging phase. You're not done. Keep on going. How long does some love actually God? Education is la fine mấy trường hợp tập đa một cái xong trong gì ít diện gì lọc nó ngoài là tại tao để lọc yên mấy sự lọc và cái gì mà mấy trường hợp nó miễn thì mà nó về hoặc ta đang làm khó hiện tại mà mấy anh tao ngó áo cái lên nó bay để cắt chế phong I served 6 deployments over Iraq and Afghanistan, and truly I am so blessed. I'm still standing here in one piece. Thank God, praise the Lord for this. There's some that did not return to their loved ones. But I'm standing here. I think His message that He wants me to give you is He's a true God, and He can conquer anything in this planet. This is a temporary place of living for all of us. My father is going to his permanent living place, and I'm ready to follow him. I'm going to try my best, and I know he's looking at me and he says, son, you need to sit down, because you're going to cry. I love my dad. I love him so much. I love him as a mentor, as a motivator, as a challenger. Most of all, as a father. Thank you, Baba, for everything. And thank you guys. While I couldn't make it time here on time because me and my family was in Texas. So I couldn't make it down here on time to actually go through everything that you guys did to my sister and my oldest brother. I tried. Please believe me, I tried, but it's hard. But now I'm here. It's my time to say thank you, thank you, thank you. We cannot make it without you all. There's no things I can explain to elaborate how much I feel about the way you guys treat my family or my brother, my sister and their families, especially my mom and her side of the family. There's a list of people that I want to say thank you to. My uncle, Malika, thank you. My son, my cousin, Namirdu, and my auntie Nashua. You guys are always behind me on everything. Thank you. And all of you guys sitting in this room. Thank you. I'm supposed to talk about Dad, my father, his life. But I decided that I want to take a little bit of my time to talk about you guys. There's one thing that my dad do that I cannot do. If you guys ever been in Maryland Church, Sunday school, when he teach, he goes for hours. I can't do that. Because when he teach, when he preach, he talk for hours. People get tired. They start walking out and he keep on talking. And I can't do that because I don't have the knowledge that he possesses or he had that the Bible, that he knows so much that he can go from line to line and explain everything, which I know all you guys have now. So I can't do that. That's one thing that he's very good at, I think. And everybody in Maryland knows that goes to Sunday school that when Sunday school closes, he starts talking, he keep on talking and talking and talking. And I think there's only one of us that can do that got that talent from my dad. I'm not gonna mention his name, but he's gonna get up here and he's gonna talk. And he will talk and talk. You guys need to raise your right hand or left hand and say, look, we got your message. Well, thank you very much. And I want to say one more time, thank you. Thank you. And Baba, rest in peace. We love you. We're going to miss you. Lomada.
만들어왔나 버리다가 몇십 for something no. The shop I think one of the one that belongs to God. Malala, the one of the Lotus was very wise and Ashna. Apo, Pushing the best to meet Pierre Lana. In fact, not when the time. Our make it is up to the musical art. Malu bird is up from here. See a pop, the father of the was up from here. See a pop, fair to have a talking fair. Ma futuro si tem tanto que impel. Mas se acabuan pa custody sa the sons of the sinalash. O fim fasta me cadê está só tá já os portões os lá. Se isso é next to fun na when se vai ir já na então já lá sai um levando. Na calendar que é acho que tá may ko siya, may ko siya na siya. May sige, mix niya siya ng loko. May yun, konti fact kulo na suwas ke, makulus orela yok na bay. Pero siya din may klal there. May klal pa. Tas sabihin eh, taking us doon, kumusta falling na. Kulo na pala na. Kulo na to that fact to shock to. What we can leave you with is the Word of God. And the Word of God is what you can take home with you. Taking the Seattle, last week Saturday. And this is what he said, and I quote, this person who passed away is gone. There is no other thing that you and I can do about it. However, you and I, we have each other. The first and foremost commandment is to love God with all your heart, mind, and soul. Love si God yung muna may kwa yung vewa. Pangamagi siya na siya siya. Malagto nila, that's the last day, gusto nila, siyam loko, manasin may force. These are the future generations. And this is what I want to encourage you all with. This is an opportunity that I have, that I can share with you. And Genesis 50:20, it says that what meant to be a curse, God will turn around and use as a blessing. Minsan na ito si Daniel, makatulong magiging sa already in years before na. My brothers here and my sister, we haven't met them in many years. So as many of you, you should be casual, but when we can come together and pay our last respect and to thank thank you so much. But what is it that you and I have to do? Last June, I came and I spent about 3 days with him and I prayed with him because I wanted to make sure that he is going to be in heaven. If you proclaim by your mouth that Jesus is Lord, you will be saved. This is what we have to do. This is just a body. I asked her, I asked her, because 5 years ago, we prayed for the Holy Spirit to turn around. And why asked me not law? I know that very not there. And our hope as believers, the difference between you and others is that we have hope in Christ. I agree with my youngest brother. Absolutely. When my dad speaks, that's what I'm looking at to see how you're reacting. If I'm losing you, I'm going to hang it up. I'm going to go sit down. That's one thing my dad can do. He sees my mom would be like making facial expressions, but he continues on. So I'm watching you. If I bore you, I will go sit down. Because the message is important. And cast on God and your mission there. You can watch the girl. Spend your time. And thank you very much. You're going to leave this place. John chapter 13, verse 34, Jesus said that this is a new command I give you. Why you get lots of places devotion to she was the was it long since it's here, I think I long since will admit. Just like I have loved you before. Kapag masarap ko diyan, yung rumus ko. You know yung gusto ko ba? Let's just answer mo, usap na kay tuwin siya. Kaya akin ko may desam na that's what led me that. Ilpok min wanda naman ako long since siya lang kay siya kay yung na siya. Or kung dako, or siya points out that in the bar. First of all, fully with the Bible, you guys in yourself, Jesus wept. John 11:31. Why is Jesus wept? Why is it his God? And why did he weep? Why did God? Because his God came in human form. And he experienced what the enemy did. The enemy deceived you and I. You robbed us from the blessings. The only way you can get it is to die. Death was not part of human being. Or wait till he said, we're going to get so emotional. When you get emotional, your tears starts flowing. This is why we weep when somebody leaves, because it wasn't part of it. Genesis 1:31, God says that I created, it was very good. Na Genesis sa patuloy ko sila nila. Bakit ka daw sila? Kasi pinsiya gusto naman may. That's what the ways of pananaw ko kayo. What do you do? He said, God is to save you and I from our sinful ways. Kaya, nelang takoy yung I do it. Ano ba? I'm boring you guys. So, at any rate, thank you. Good luck on Malala and MC Lamalala. Pastor Rob, thank you for being here. I acknowledge all of our pastors here, and thank you for showing up. I know out of your heart you're showing up to pay respect, and I appreciate it.
We have a couple remarks that need to be presented. It will be equally delivered by each representative regarding each plans that is related to this occasion. Conference with Glenn Kitabango, Iginoston. Confidential.
Ikaw yung achievement na kayo hosting the program natin sa as Wechimayan Sisniya Kika Ilya Kikipan program natin sa invite something saying Asakta Kisipen Katchen Aklin Melat Gala Kapel saying May fa when the song when show in fact one song of fall Kringan was the representation Manla nila kekosyo program diwosan nas presensia la fakya kay nas len diwosan anje rantaman program diwosan isin Sa pakasapeyo, kiringkain academic pledging. Sa may tigiman kayo, acknowledging ka. Nag-i-issue pledging inaklin mo siya po. May Goldman Church, on a sheet. Mga skin pledging. Nalang siya sama-sama mo kayo lak na kikaslas. Nag-i-issue pledging inakbilo na siya program, a show, Palignatal, Papa Yugo, and Nenyoko, Givos Penopoli. Incan Bella in Spelsi last, Bigline, Lakun, Spelas, Makatas, Ibujasla, viewing service in Makatas. Mahunjak mo, i-blast in program mo, in the Postla, in Japos, Kimakos Kira in program. Nagloman na, lakos ka na pinanikwal na ganyan. Super mas in program mo. Actually, kita dolo yan na. Pakisyaw si mga netyen, pakayugo mo masa talaga. As kini siya, as nogwe siya, as fresh. As fresh nga pakatata Asti plus kringan di lapun na sius may kusay mo sa pelas antik na la may kunes kringan mi tuyak pa yung dos ikan samsang kibesin ni. Napan ang alam si spensingin na usawan na hindi tinanong nawar kapay siya yung kilawak siya kilailangan siya uwan kringan fakta pasas. Kilawak sila na mana kesamsang na di kuyalat kalim niya. El pastilan din wayang na siya. Keringan usana ito masikya iciba ito masnya. Fara itu sampai ketkilo nak ada kau nak spesialis keringan juga siapa British siapa kalau Malaysia tiba kasih tu semua ni ini. Mereka lah kata itu pasal kalau kering show senatan nasinya. Yang macam ini mana sama nas siapa nak ini. Ele patalo do já flashei, lanchou tikin bol. É que suene já na pana lá, pana. Mas taxa kin bela, inas pele se mo din da bela, show lá ne, que pele se fa global lá. Que é o show lá ne yo ko. Show lá vai do fa global lá se mo na vewa. Que ko screen da vai mit ka. Shin shin na shafie na ma se mo ka ke. Bayok super. Afini kat live ni. Pasal tadi mulai buat siapa yo alamat ngal nak meneraga pasien jatuhnya. Pasal tahu anak kesampun nak kau mak kalau dia. Mana kau mak pada mereka. Mana lah. Elai sebagai pelfal. Kai dia mak pelfal mesin mereka langsung. Kalau ilan nasi tak kau. Nasampai yok na mesin kali natal kali dua. Aspek yang dibelakang oleh ini. Maka experience sebagai kiat kalian ini, posisi kita, mana posisi kalian ini, aksekan sampai nanti dulu, kalau kali dua, kita sampai nanti me, posisi seperti kita, sampai mengurusan, alasan kita tinggal di balik kita, kau sulit kita mesin ingkay fakat kimo pakat mo sa kinshap din natin wala dito siya tuloy. Na mag-launching wala pa, nag-launching Shirley ka early kisang hamna buong makatulong imana siya sinpena. E maluto na siya sa talit fast yung ganitala pangay muul malos palagin elos di daye elos siya kalim minapayas katsi siya pakan ko yung tatlong magandang kain break mana kaya lagi nila kat imana kayo kat nila lang ito na ilis kipel long series na chill pa ilis na makina si nakpekos kasi niya sila na siusan pa nakiusan pa ngay makos mixed material sa tataan mga presyo makusya ini na indapala inakalim niya, may nga siya din. Tapos, kursis mo kung makus na wala siya tataan na siya din na siya nakaroon na na siya niya. Pangay, may makus siya na nakaroon. Pangay siyang pramang siya akalim niya, iba siya niya. Masibit ka na kalimin kakulong na mala, na siya usta kayo. Finamay na siya, kung usta ka mga tagapawi, liye ka, pay last respect na kimano siya niya. Katsiya wo, ito lang siya nakakiloman na. Karena kilo siya kalang niya. Wala niya si last na po siya. Hindi siya na. At kalang niya, kapan, suwi last, kimauwa mo ito. Nangawi lang nila kuwan ka, kilo na mahal na. Kimano kayo was katakilin. Kaya matawag naman, masikya ka. Wakadayak sa fiyo niya. Kaya service mga naskini. Kasyap lang nakalang di iklan siya wala sa pa. Katay na masisyak tukun uye ka. Pancing may siyas. Katako na. Tingnan wikos. Pulong ka. Wikos mana kayo ba? Makadagan wikos. Katos kaya. Ikipay ka tita mo. Amin na naklas. Yung masisyak. Nasawal tigil bol. Amin tapos si Panola malalas pati siya usin niya. Inakawin niya. Katay na mga Australia makatagan ni Kasha ng nas aquela medida de busca que era uma coisa global.
Mas não sei espero que a clamada que se dá aqui mola que eu aqui acho lá sobre o que ele é a final respect lá que se dá essa transformação. Tu já tô e não é ao deixar o lá para bem de o que plantava de mala para ser o cara. Não sei espero em vai with chocolate they walk. We dig the best diginis and yok na sin dali natal ka ba yung wo na yok ko dang na ingon ki asla sa ki den ni pe wala train long la Jesus de wo mai ma awla sautla refona to wash si matit na dali bla wala ki mama sumodia pienya Seu se acho nesse caso se quer na que agora de que bastante bem ni plan naquele que me viu bater que plan para mala para ninguém. Along se espera aí na aula seu seguir calculando que se seu lá nem eu que carinha como usar assim para se tomar né illusion bell si Manita Fidel inaray dunia. Wala kaya tulig na kayo experience kaya siyang din Wait si kapkapatulan wait si Ash pen si Mail Ora lang si Lance Bena Nagyalong na pen si nga Ash peto Ash lang siya Mail Ash na kaya Ora kadays pela yung ang kapasito Mash game Ora na train Aldalas que por que não há data para ele actuar sem ser o sisal eu não me resolvo nem eu lagi plan seu jalan que vou selalu tadi nada que jam bem cara se torna assim vai não we acho experience lá que cara se torna assim que não há lá se uma mãe tomou acho que lá olha vou não when in finan melwite my finlong se arama se la makikon na ko si mo arsi kabadan sa si san capture me but live experience all the good to plala iba si ba ke se usilash ke mo ala narada woinen se utar maki fugo lang na plala ilutu na iba si ba maksa kila YouTube one karena ke pasta minggir jam ini maka finan ilo me kalau lupa mungkin dengan awal karena ke site sila na iba sila kamu kono nakal indago experience life sila narin some call mo ilpalong ngayon some isintalik natin so sinatan niya so na force so na shiksi kasakta Tapi lagi kapkabat dala. Tali bukulan ko siya tali may tulong siya surf bell line service. Aliyo orek masin. Spencer but si gosto kiden sunan meron pa. Maki service line military mission mutan bell saya inside gas. Wait machine bell line 7 is that tulak kayo. Pawag pa mo orek siya wasna. Kaya may Amerika na isla, mula lang may flash din siya. Sangko na si may flash rin na ganyan mula may Amerika, patok petik na ito. Napay niya lagi ka, taga sinan away, we block in, freedom mo may Amerika block na. Kasi nagtalalin si Ukak City. Countries in the USA form matawag nila ni Laos, missing ka. Nakikita mo ito gawin palakin, insewo mo, kadilaki na siya. Wait na kayo, para ba't kayo palakin? Sunda, Fin, and American, we will palakin freedom at this club. Para malong si Fakula, malat na siya, kolon kat malasan na siya kami yung in activity na talos na in mo, relative kinawin siya. Sabi kita yung palakin freedom mo, American. Nangalong si Raklamana po kasi may ilon kayo yok nasin may call the church community ilo. Kimas may sikyaga alena şütle ito başke kadalam nas kirenja. Nakatlong gas lobos. So nakabaisoan we community ilo Midland Church ilo may we sawan na yo. Kung sa south la pop Muguldusin. Penonton bos lagan kat siapa kan mama sikia ko yung kat pulang dengan jelas sikia. Darah jauh iklan coba baratara ini. Fakta malah pusus ki. Kya siya correct no logos relations. Ang sindalik natal babay yuan kos med ito malengan kila kos nagewa kya ke mama ke kos dasya bana ke suka sang talagang bos ni sila. Dahil di ba lena masin na kayo sa Russian girl. Mama ka iske mulal pa rin yung in vela na kayo taga spend final days life in an kilo. May kilo may liksyon sukya mama fal kita sukya lutit kin and pass on this in generations mataga to. Pang evaklasya, siya kalawin yung evakulaman na pisin. Siya umaga masak na kayo yung sante tao yung sang aksa pinagbubusin at siya tayo at lang si Pet awal na siya may mag-uflenta ba in relevant final respect lang masin kakasa tumas laman
Gloria Bella. Gloria Singat Masimik. Que Melawan, que tem que fazer ceremony, class na sin masa ulit. And buying my class, may dali, pasta, dikin, ganyan mo, dalit na kayo giwo. May tan church ang giwo, may tan kayo mo, siya, igela ulit. Abiling na may katifian, klang kay Ashe Lowos in Gabay Witness ceremony last week. Klang siya MC Deacon Bell, kaya after siya program last week. Klang siya may years call na siya tagabas, klang siya may tagabay yung witness in Gabay. Assurance in that fashion. We got the very witness Safalan. At this time, I would also like to thank Todo Mortuary for your great job this evening, and also to the First United Church of Hilo for letting us do our service tonight. 2 o'clock kasi Oyaga na 2 hour iplan talibyan ninyo. In government na akabas na siwas na kayo. Nashike ang tao na ke kasi English kasi with years and nashike na mga kufla kaya tao na kasi siya. Losing a father is very sad. There is nothing you can do but face life without your dad and the emptiness in you. Your heart will form a hole that can never be repaired. Memories eat upon your soul. Your mind will not be spared. He will always be there. Paano yung mga palaki when naman tayo guwayaras? The shop, kishipin, support ng malos, kapray ng malos, kan esmote man gata. In the way that you're the shop. support laws, Roy laws, Usera says, we did not lose him. When you lose something, you don't know where it is. We know exactly where he is now. We did not come here today only to mourn or grieve for the passing of my uncle, but we're here to celebrate his life. Os findi e faike prokanawasho. Kulo wala kasi kolya pagpasa ke aluwe in kope gesta masish. In ko hindi apilin maini. In kope kasho. Fakal sir le pianya. Pai patalas fin fenzinge alafto. Kung ko ba yung like kaya pa sa archive to yung to was yan. Mo lang wait si matawag kay Jesus na asap lagi nisen. Full one itlongan ko liye filiye dash. Dash na foto si bata. Ipi line of todos ko ba yan. Os fine ko ay mo junior siyo ko yega mo. Dear Luis Thomas, infensi. Bakit tayo witness celebrate Ashland and Wayne Delon Euros. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all of our friends, all the non-Kushite speakers, for your support, your prayers, everything that you guys have done to us for the past couple weeks. And thank you for your continued support until we finish this. There is nothing hard with God. We'll get it through because of you all. Well, again, I'll talk about I think I can stop you now, but you was not very well. Gasho, go was kick. I didn't want to be well. Get Ashland. Thank you all. But I was here. Kushai me, you know. We don't want that, but you was kick. Support laws, let's say, gay laws. Movefish laws, let's say, gay laws. Kaya ni mga magawa pero was Catholic scared. Kaya wangin na kat akilin kay Dewey laws in Catholic. Iplod kaya ni mga batikay. Yok na lagi fundraising laws at fashion finan. Kona and hilo. Katakaw kasi guys. Quand on in church, the guy see so makabash talaga. Kasi tayo dito. Kaya ko na kasi fundraise finan ko na. Wala ko siya na suktay na fuka. Tas sabihin tikin osta the bar. So Cashew got the cashier. We got the guy away, you got a fast sila. We do like Yorkshire. My is also been a sick, but I give it family because I must see a panel pasta, see a latte perfect. Many items today who stay going some a fast shit for me. In fact, the which push guy. Which force guy already? Got Cologin, K. Cosette, Dat is ook je best wat je hebt, dat op je deed, mijn naam, dat je dat je weet. Dat je kan je items dat je kunt zeggen, fashion fundraisers. Zelfs die programma's zijn, maar zelfs dat er niet zijn, maar dan op je deed, ja, zo dat je dat thema, dat kost dat. Kan je vaak dat ik kan zeggen. Viele Arschus, daar is dat zo. Kan je nog niet vaak Al dat heel wat. Zo doen je zo door zo'n keer hebben, al je. Dat kun je wel dat je maar je heel. Maar wat mijn gast is, zo, mijn post dat gast geworden. Dat is zo. Wat tipe. Wat ik dan op je denkt, ja, zo moet je wel zeggen, je weet dat je dan mainland. Zet dat op de kaart, server cellula, en burner cellula. Los koppen als je al zo. We will miss him, but we have to move on. This is hard for the family. But we'll work it out. When we know best, you know,
We're approaching and about to conclude our program for service for this evening. Acknowledgement representing Hilo Community Church, I'll call on Lady Danny, followed by Hannah Frank.
Kumala PMC, Ticket Bell. And we were trying to go on casting the ticket, comes in the car, Massimo. Our never left along the line. Kaya niya po one, at Polaco. Ang kanang rin pastor ng Marsh, Common Church. Siya one, inetapa, kung gusto ko sa Marsh, Betsy. For those non-Christian speakers, I would like to take this opportunity on behalf of Tara's family, the Charles family, and the entire Amman, as well as the Hilo community. Thank you all for coming home. You share your love and your support. Your presence today really means a lot to the family. So besides all of the words of thank you, the family, as well as the Hilo community, and our friends from Kona, are all over the place. I even see some people from Honolulu, some from mainland. All of us who have come together to put together something to show our appreciation for all of you guys. As we conclude our program today, we have refreshment outside. There's a plate lunch, as well as a bag of pastries, along with some drinks. Please help yourself outside, and we ask that you please, if you want to consume your food inside the premises, please take your rubbish with you to keep the cleanliness of these premises. I thank you all on behalf of the families and the entire Oceania community. Thank you very much.
Long among them, the Archbishop Spirit, when in the light along to the reopening non-Christian speakers, I want to thank you also for being here. My four brothers and myself, we will always be indebted to you all for all that you have done. On behalf of Mom and her kids, her little family. Bigas ko siya sa una magaling din sa balash kaya isipin kalangan ba sa aming buos sa crash nila mga boss mga tigaw na gen boss may kagawaya kaya to shock to kaya dito each and every one of you I'd like to thank my investor at this time for standing by my side from the beginning till tonight. Boston na my mom good kid when nilagay back out the shop dog. Gishpin, nagagmula, which we have like expect mo ngayon ko at sashi. Bawal mababal training down on the gale for some reason, I don't know why. Nara, anybody who's studying going fact what to do next? Along sila, kasi pinwashi, why nilinig yung program on the shop talk, mapatagyan na the acknowledgement, and I'd like to acknowledge her at this time. And of course, Glenn Yockman got into the affair. Asong na fakta goodbye lang kasi bad naman, asong na ako lang. Ngayon ko lang ako sa kuya, kung ako na team up against me, lain pa ay makatusis ka na nagkakaw ka na. Hindi kami ka nagkarat, dilahin ka. But that's how much long sikat na may why na kata sa natin. I can only leave you with one thing tonight. If MCLC ng going sama mamay dalangin ko may nafagan ilang makikuminsak kasi Gaza long sinalong. And the only thing I can leave you with is Jeremiah 29:11 that says, "For I know the thoughts that I have toward you, thoughts to prosper you and not to harm you, to give you an expected end." Bakit di nagdaga na natalafin mo na siya sa siya? Ilakshway mo tari and may dilihat and wanna push us so much but in going vash naging ganit. Wala naman kayo na igawang sa banta. Naman namin sinikat kayo. Pero lash na kayo. Thank you all for showing up tonight. It means a lot to us. No. God bless you all.
그럼 마마나 그 프로그램 마셔 그다음에 그 슈르기 영수마 좀 어떻게 볼까 그다음에 그 좀 퓨리 마셔 되시는 아빠는 게 arrangement 마 아버지가 그런 atfashida mata kimai fa 이게 파스만 다시 다이나 좀 가봐 그다음에 confident tu yagar free woman apnas putte layo ko Ikiske til dem her. Først og fremst kommer vi fast til operation, og vi går en gasjon til den skjønne. Tari, når hun pilot med røde flygmål, når hun kaller den rundt sjøen. Og da du kunne ta en sjøen, da stapper det til røde prøyen, at en sjøen er veldig vars. Og man kan gå i. Vi kan stapper det til Tari, og det får lov til final respect is assured in a few hours. Pelwater Feknamo, Napanigdesha Mukilawi. The Rastamarsh with a man, and the was a guide leading few hours. We, with the church Nabewa, the power, the whole school. Videka, and Jigden Mokala. Tadakadim with Elo. Quarry law, Lakana Sampon Yalaval, Invoker, Consideration. Someone Takashi. take part in it. But we ask that everyone started with your right side and left side, come up run and partake in this basket offering. Right after that, you can do your condolences with the family. And after all of us we're done reviewing, we'll ask everyone to please be seated for like 5 minutes, then we'll ask the holocaust or Muslim prayer. Right after that, the family will offer our respect and we'll do the station of Guatemala. Pembeli tuwing tayo sa Makbanas, maka kian kumatawa ang aspunan, kita nasa pinagkawal ng aspunan ko, ang sarang sang sewa na tuwing sa kahawa.
Thank you.
오늘 밤에 구성구나. 학교는 그런데 구성도 굉장히 없는 것 같습니다. 뭔가 이 빵이 맛이야. 공부하게 하면 다 아주 헷갈리. 내가 그리하고 마지막에 기억을 못 갔어. 웬더로 갔어요. 그게 막으면 와는 게 없구나.
Final call for those who came late or not to the program. This is our final call for you. Illegal mentoring ng sumukulan, nagsama kita sa rin right after this concert, we'll call on Reverend Benedict for his closing remark and prayer.
Aku dulu.
Joe. Kampung itu masih kian sini gaben apne. Ilo itu mau rekomendasi sini sih lo. Dan kau rekomendasi pada banyak orang dia. Kampung rekomendasi ilo nak orang yang makan minggu lagi. Yang dia berkuliah orang. Ini adalah kehidupan jalan. Nah, siapa kalau kau semakin orang yo, pemkulian ada macam sebagai biar ni apa sih teman-teman ini. Dan banyak juga yang berkaitan dengan sesuatu yang gunakan yo macam mungkin bukan macam agak ini boleh. Tetapi maksudnya oleh malu muka kata-kata. Kapag yung tanong message hospital ng Rewa. Loke ko lang yung mga yesingin. Ikong saan pala ko yung mga nakaringga. Kapag yung gabi, sa mga klas, nalakas ko yung masikyak yung yesingin ng kaksitin ko. Paano mo mga yesingin. Loke kas mo lang mga kung sila Shakespeare. At kaya niyo paano yung mo mga. Nakatsiray natin na yung mga makyan sa yesingin. Dahil kita yung komentar siya, hindi ako makita na siya. Anong meron na siya sa gawa nito, akin gugulo, wala mga interview na yun. Ako lang na siya, kaya nang gawa niya sa kasi. Umas, mapin nyo matawag na sinensin. Kaya kung ako kayo mukta lang ang sige mapinen, kupay. Matita tayo kaya, hindi ko pinagsawa sa kewa. So, Anak-anak kayak ini lebih nak boy. Tak sure ye betul macam apa yang kali dia kasih enak kau perlu. Anak main ni selesai yang kalah, gas tu selesai, agak cenai kena. Dan suka selesai sebewa. Itu adalah kita sendiri peminat kalah jauh. Main ni mereka selesai yang gas ini tu, mereka selesai. And we bet, the lack of some other happening bet. Jangan menggunakan dunia. Atraksi itu atraksi lalu seluruh masyarakat Laos. Dan apa yang namanya mayorinya. Terus tempat kita ismainya, lelah terlalu banyak ismainya. Angkala sekewa nak dokter dalam mayorinya. Anjurnya apa yang ini fase di kelas keempat. Jangan menjadi dekat, melakukan kerja yang dekat. Masalah mengwigat, apa itu ini kata, win yang telah terperoleh. Amen.
Tulong mauna Pastor Nick. Last but not the least, I will call on Mr. Louis Toto representative. It was final word for tonight. And also I will call on the boulders. Right after they're done, then the decision of God will follow right after. Again, on behalf of our family, there are words of love and support in great comfort to the family members. A special thank you to the deacons and all pastors here at the church. Shortly, we'll be departing to mortuary. Mr. Carr will be flying out to his homeland on Sunday and Monday back to Martinica, where he will be laid to rest. Again, on behalf of our family, his loving wife, and the entire family members, thank you for your love and support. Thank you for sharing and caring. Just one note, as you depart here, please clean up the area as a respect to the church and family members. Again, this concludes service, but continue celebration of life back at his homeland in Prashad, federal state of Malaysia. Once again, thank you.